Okay, so let's erase these objects. So I'm gonna go to my modify tool and click erase, and I simply select the hatch, 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 press enter, and then let me also erase this. And another shortcut where you can erase is simply select the object, and then on your keyboard press the delete key, and it should erase it too. So select, press delete key, select, press delete key on your keyboard. Okay, so you can also erase it that way. Now let's proceed with discussing these blocks. So when I click on this one, this is treated as one object, and because it's one object, it only has one grip. Okay, so this one too is considered one object, so it's treated as one grip. Treated as one object, so there's only one grip. So I can click on that grip, and then move it wherever I want to without typing any command. And that's the essence of grips, is you can manipulate or move that object or select that object or stretch that corner using a grip. But in this case, because this is an object that is already a block, I cannot stretch anything. Okay. So if you can create a block, you can uncreate it using the explode command. So under modify, okay, we're going to try to find where explode is. Over here it says explode. When you click that and then click your block, whoop, click your block and then press enter, this one is still a block, so when I click it, there's only one grip. Press escape. But if I click this, now they're individual lines again. Okay, so if you want to create a block, you can create a block by creating blocks over here. You can create one. And if you have a block and you want to separate the lines of a block, you can explode them. Okay, and explode is under modify in this command over here. And once it's exploded, then if I wanted to, let's say, make a stencil out of this one, stencil means that I don't want to have a shape inside a shape. Okay, so to make a stencil, all I have to do is draw a line, and then draw a line from here to here, and then press escape, another line from here to here, press escape, and then I'm going to use my modify and trim so I can cut the extra lines that I don't want, and that's called stenciling. Okay, I'll do the same thing over here. I'll draw a line from here to here, and make sure that you do not press escape, that you do not see that box, because once you draw a line here and you go too close to a line, it automatically selects the endpoint, and guess when you click, it attaches to that one because it automatically grab the endpoint. So make sure you don't automatically grab the endpoint. Okay, press escape. When you're drawing a line, make sure you clear that endpoint, otherwise it'll grab it there. You can avoid that by zooming in a little bit. Okay, and then you can simply click here, drag, click there, go back to modify, click trim, and then cut those extra pieces. Okay, now this is the only way you can trim the block, is after exploding it, because press escape. You can see that this upper portion, whoops, zoom extends. Okay, this upper portion over here, that is still a block. And if I draw a line, just like I did here, zoom a little bit, draw a line, two lines, and use the modify trim. Okay, I can trim these two lines, but I can't trim this because this line is part of a block, and I can't modify blocks until I explode them. Okay, so that's why we need to explode first if you want to modify a block. So in the bottom over here, I modified the block by stenciling out the inner letters. And so now I want to create a new block out of this one. So I click create block. Okay. And then what is the block name? I'm going to type the name and then put number 2 so that it's the second block I created. Press enter. And then I wanted to select it somewhere here. And then I wanted to select this whole thing as the block. Press enter. Now when I click on it, it's now a block, and I can get my original block, click, drag, and select, put it here. Okay, or get the second one, click and drag out, and now I have 2 blocks. Okay, so I can click, move here, click and drag and put it over here. Click and drag, hold and click. Okay, click, hold and drag out and drop. Zoom extents, and there you go. I have 2 different blocks. The first one is not stencilized, the second one is stencilized. Okay.